Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got another ginormous pallet that I'm going to be unboxing from bulk.com. It is uninspected returns, some toys and games and other stuff. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so we've got this pallet. Before we open it, I want to give you the specs on what's going on here. So it is a pallet, obviously. Uninspected returns is the condition, which means it can vary from brand new to unboxed to totally broken. So I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to get in the pallet. It's toys and games, luggage and travel, and Star Wars. That was the big key phrase for me. Now, a lot of you, if you sell on Amazon, you've been gated in Star Wars, but you can sell Star Wars on other platforms such as Poshmark, Facebook Marketplace, other places like that. So my cost in total was, I kind of got my one really close to my dollar store, $103 was the cost for this total pallet. But anytime you purchase a pallet from bulk, the $200 is what you pay for shipping. It's always a flat rate. Has 57 items in it. My tax I paid on this was $7.88 for a total of $310.88 on this entire pallet. Which equals out to $5.45 per item. So let's look at the items. Let's see, are they worth more than $5.45? I will do a breakdown video once I get this thing all unboxed and opened up, and so that you can kind of know what's going on. They always have one side that's easier to open, and so we'll go ahead and pull that out. I don't know if I can get it open. Let me get the flaps on the top open here. Cut this open in the back. So it was delivered via a big, huge truck. I actually got 2 pallets in the same day. I think I ordered them a day apart, but I got 2 pallets in the same day. As you can see, there's my Star Wars, and we're going to have various different conditions of what it's going to be in. I don't know if that's going to stay open, but it looks like we've got a lot of lightsabers. So let's just start unboxing and see what we got. So yes, lightsabers. This box looks in relatively good condition. So I'm just going to lay those flat there, and you can look at them closer. And so you've got, like I said, uninspected returns. You got really nice boxes like this. Looks like it has almost everything in it. And then this is a different kind of one. But look at this here. Beat up box. So this one I obviously will not sell on Amazon. This will go on eBay. I'll take good pictures of what the box condition is like. So I'm going to kind of slide this to the back. That's kind of my broken box section. This one, similar, but not quite as bad. A little bit of a dented box. But I've got a lot of ones that are in nice condition. So this is a nice condition. These are all the same kind of lightsabers. So that's going to be super convenient because I make one listing and list all of them together. It's going to be really, really easy. So far I've got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. And all these that I'm stacking here have great condition. There's no broken parts, no missing pieces. 7, right? 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 8. This is 9, 10, 11. I can see why they had to put these in a pallet. They're so large. 12, 13. The stack's going to be taller than me. Let's not break them. 14. Let's not break them before we sell them. 15. I'm just going to grab all the Star Wars right from the get-go here. 16. 17. It's a good thing I got long arms. Okay, I think that's it. That's it for the lightsaber. So that's 17. Got another Star Wars item in here. Let's see what this is. This is a Star Wars tie silencer. I'm not sure exactly what this is. It's got a little piece there. Assembly required. So that's what it is, this toy. So I'll have to check it out, make sure it's good. It looks like it's been opened, but that still doesn't mean that it's not brand new. So we'll look at it and see what kind of condition. Then we got various other things. This is a Color Alive Crayola guy. Easy Animation Studio. So looks like you use your computer and you can animate him or something like that. Not sure what that does. If you guys know what it does, please let me know because I'll take that help. All right, I'm going to set this over here on this other side. As you can see, lots of stuff. Backpacks in here. Backpacks sell really well. That's really cute. Nice embroidered flowers. So The nice thing about backpacks is I usually put them on Poshmark, and they sell really well around the school time. But the cool thing is it doesn't cost me anything to have anything on Poshmark. I only pay the fees whenever it sells. So I can put them on now, and then they'll sell really well when school comes. So that's another option for you. Little flamingos all over this one. If you guys want any of these, let me know. Just shoot me a message, and I can send you an invoice. Let's see, what is that? Wrinkle Whiz. Spray, and it gets rid of wrinkles. So, okay, random tiny little thing in there. All right, this box is totally beat up. It's a Paw Patrol tricycle. So I'll take it apart, see if it's worth anything. If it's not broken, I'll probably sell it on Facebook Marketplace because it's pretty heavy. I use Facebook Marketplace similar to what people used to use Craigslist for, but Facebook Marketplace is a lot better. It just sells better. Here's a shoot and learn basketball hoop for little kids. Box is a little beat up, so this will probably be an eBay sold item. And I'll take good pictures and make sure that it's not broken. So as you can see, Uninspected Returns has various different conditions. Hangers. I was actually thinking I needed more hangers like this because I like the little divots for my tank tops and such. So those I'll probably just keep. Here's a nice Rubbermaid set. Absolutely nothing wrong with this. It's brand new, still totally wrapped up. So that'll be easily sellable for sure. Oh, let's see what else we got in here. Here is a curtain rod. Ah, look at this curtain. Okay, it's already open, so I'm just going to pull it out. It's an arrow with the back end with the feathers. That's cool. It does not look like it comes with the attachments for the wall, but that's really cool. So if you have a hunter, someone maybe who hunts with a bow, that'd be a perfect curtain rod for them. That looks like a rod that would go in a bachelor pad. All right, let me see. Hold on. Sorry, I'm about to fall in. Okay, this one is Homeomedics Personal Space Cooler. So it's a mini air conditioner. For a small space. That's in good condition, brand new. This is a pot Tefal 6-quart aluminum. It's a pressure cooker pot, so one for the top of the lid. I actually have a Instapot, which I use for a pressure cooker, but this is goes on top of your stove. Another backpack. Same as the other kind that I had, which is nice. One picture, 2 backpacks. I love multiples. All right. VTech. So this looks like it's in pretty good condition. It's all put together. I'll have to check and see if it works and make sure that that's good. But a VTech, these little preschool toys sell really well. They're pretty expensive. Here is very beat up box of Disney Junior. This is Doc McStuffins. I'm not sure that show is still on, but I don't have preschoolers anymore, so you'll have to let me know if that's still on TV. All right, let me see. Where did I put? Here it is. I'm going to make access here because I'm a shorty. I can't reach the rest of it. So we're going to open this up more. Here we go. Now I can step in there. All right, little fanny pack with flowers on it. Those are still popular, believe it or not. Here's a cute little purse, kind of a makeup purse. That's cute, with a little crossbody bag purse. Depends, protection. These actually sell really well. I've sold these a lot of times. It's an item that you don't necessarily want to go to the store and be seen buying for some people, and so it's a lot better to just buy them online. All right, let's see what else is next. I'm just gonna, all right, a Nerf gun, all taped together, so we'll have to see if that's missing any pieces. So a lot of times, in order to find out if it's missing pieces, I can scan the barcode and then see what is it supposed to come with. This is the nap pillow. So it's definitely been opened. I wonder if the lid's in here somewhere, but we'll see what kind of condition that's in. So as you can see, conditions all over the map. I'm really excited about the Star Wars things. I think I'm gonna make my money back. Remember, I only spent a little over $300 on this. So this is a little grocery cart for kids. Obviously came from Target. Set that down there. All right, a box of baby wipes. Doesn't look like it's been opened. Maybe it has. I'll check and make sure. Let's see what else we got. Vicks Mister humidifier. All right, almost done. Let's see. Some of the things they put in these pallets, just why? All right, a little watch. Like, it's got giant things, which make total sense, and then randomly a watch. It's a really nice watch, actually, and it's working. See it? See the second hand? That's actually, so working watch. If you want to watch, let me know. All right, we've also got some stud earrings, just one pair. I guess that counts as part of the 57 items. All right, let's see. We got another set of earrings in here. Oh, look, there's 2 pair on that one. Bonus. Okay. Let's see. We've got, this is Puppy Dog Pals. So it's like a play set. Put that down there. Sorry, it sounded like it dropped far, but it didn't. It was just loud to it. Okay, here's a baby Annabelle baby doll. Box is a little beat up, but the baby doll looks like it has all its contents and is in good condition. Let me set this over here. Almost done, almost done. Okay, 1 broken hair clip. Let's see. Got some little jewelry items here. There's some cute little necklaces in here. Unicorn charms on this one. So unicorns are really popular right now. Llamas are really popular right now, I think because of Fortnite. So I've got more Depends. I got another one. These are all the same size, so that's going to be nice. Then I've got, let's see, Build and Play cardboard antsy pants. Like you can build your own castle. Let's see, VTech. Another one of those basketball hoops. Learning stand basketball hoop walker thing. And let's see what else we got. Random piece. This is one of those square foldable canvas things. It looks like this is the lid. So this obviously I won't be able to sell. There's a little bit of staining, but I may just keep it for storing some things myself personally. Let's see. Safety card sleeve. Stops identity thieves from reading the credit card. And then, sorry. And then this last thing is pleated vinyl temporary shade. So it's a shade for a window. So I actually have one window in here. I'll see if it fits that size because the sun comes in right at my face for the computer. All right, that is it. So as you can see, you can get a lot of stuff out of a pallet. I definitely see why these were in a pallet. It'd be very hard to fit in a typical bulk size case. Some of the stuff on this table is a little bit more damaged than I would like, but believe it or not, you can still sell some things with a little bit of a crushed box, but the item might be okay. If it's broken, just so you know, it's going in the trash. I'm not going to give it away to charity because that's just rude to do that. But if it's a box that has a crushed corner that the item might be brand new, then, you know, maybe I can do that. I can, you know, put it, you know, somewhere where it can be used. But anyway, I think I'm really excited. $310. I think I can make my $310 back just in these Star Wars lightsabers alone. So as you can see, you can make some money. I'm going to do a number 2 video where I'm going to go through and kind of break down the numbers for you and then give you how much I think I can make on this bulk pallet. So hopefully it's been helpful to see unexpected toys from bulk.com. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.